cream to Ethan? Ethan, Natalie's gonna give you some cream.
Thank you. How about the other cheek?
Don't forget the other cheek. Other cheek.
Ethan, you need cream on the other cheek.
Natalie, go put it on Ethan.
Your other cheek, Ethan.
Careful. How about his arm? How about his arm? Ethan's arm.
Stop it!
Oh, stop it, stop it. Is it stop it?
You say stop it, please.
Stop it, please.
Natalie, Ethan said no more. Thank you.
No more cream?
No.
Can you say thank you to Natalie for giving you cream? Go. Go say thank you to Natalie.
Take a naughty.
And you say you're welcome, Ethan.
You rock, Ethan.
Ethan?